before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure plus 0.21. Contrast minus 12. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 69. Whites plus 18. Blacks plus 19. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Temp plus 16. Tint minus 10. Vibrance plus 44. Saturation minus 45. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 33. Saturation 13. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to next grading. Midtones no work. Highlights. Hue 205. Saturation 6. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Hue minus 50. Saturation plus 98. Luminance minus 5. Go to orange color. Hue minus 10. Saturation plus 61. Luminance minus 34. Go to yellow color. Hue minus 20. Saturation -40. Luminance -20. Go to green color. Hue +30. Saturation -50. Luminance +65. Go to aqua color. Hue -40. Saturation +19. Luminance -40. Go to blue color. Hue -50. Saturation -3. Luminance -36. And done. Go to Effects. Clarity +21. Slide down. Grain 17. Size 10. Roughness 21. Slide down. Go to Detail. Sharpening 12. Slide down. Color Noise Reduction 25. Go to Profiles. Select Artistic 5. Artistic 5x59. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.